actually the approach has been, it's improving us to perform very well because we do get a very, very nice support from them. And we try to minimize and manage the diseases with the best development and technology.
My target is to build a team, a local team, which is capable of carry out interventional procedure, mainly focused on congenital heart disease. Yeah, that's my mission. We have already 3 doctors graduated since I come here. And also the local team, I have been training 3 to 5 doctors currently. I hope to train as much doctors as possible.